So you want to know what virtual wholesaling is? Well, short answer is, it's how I eat. But as you can see, I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, where I live. However, here in Cincinnati, Ohio, is where 90% of my business takes place. In fact, this property right here is a house that I just closed on, and if you'd like to find out how much I made, tune into Mondays on May 31st, the release of Cold Call to Success, where I show you how you can close deals virtually as well. Guys, 90% of my business is in Cincinnati, Ohio, but as you saw, my business occurs from on top of mountaintops in Phoenix, Arizona. Now, how do I make business, make a living, make my money from Phoenix, Arizona, but business occurs here? Well, the answer is kind of simple. I use my triangle offense, right? And my triangle offense, we don't score points, we score checks. And that triangle offense is me, my laptop, and my phone. That's right, me, my laptop, and my phone makes me a well living for myself at 22 years of age. Is it impossible to do? Can anybody do it? I mean, of course, anybody can do anything they put their mind to, but you have to have actionable steps. Now, again, Cold Call to Success, the course, I go in detail, but let's just scratch the surface. So the first thing you have to do when you're virtual wholesaling is get a number for your target market, which can be done for free through Google Voice. Check out my ebook. Number 2, start calling motivated seller leads in your target market, which can be done for free on Zillow. Number 3, get the property under contract in your target market, and you can use my free purchase agreement that I provide for you guys. Check out the walkthrough. Number 4, guys, once you have the property under contract, pay someone to take pictures of the property. And that can be a trusted family member, or you can post an ad on Craigslist or Facebook. But as always, watch for the sharks, because someone could try to take your deal. But once you have the pictures, that leads us to number 5, which is get the property sold. So you could get the property sold using what's called a fake buyer. If you'd like to learn more information, check out the video up there. Number 6, schedule a walkthrough for buyers. And you could have someone there, or you could just have your buyers go along. Usually when you're dealing with, fake buyers, if you're just getting started, they're going to want you to send them more deals, so they'll value that relationship and not go behind your back. Number 7, get the deal sold by sending an assignment contract over to your buyer. And if you'd like to know how to fill out an assignment contract and use my free copy, go ahead and click the link to the video up there. Now, number 8, you close on the property within 7 days and receive a wire transfer from your title company. In other words, you get to stepping. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.